Welcome back. This is going to be an interesting short video. In this video, we will be learning Sketcher and Profile tool. So without wasting time, let's get started. I'll just click on Start, go to Mechanical Design and click on Part Design. I'll give the name to the part as Profile and hit Enter or OK. So we'll land in this space. So once again, we have to select a plane to draw any profile. So I'll just select this XY plane and click on Sketcher. So if you don't see the icon, again, what you can do, I think you have watched the first video, you can just restore the position of this toolbars, or you can select the toolbars from this view toolbars, and whatever toolbar you are looking for you can just select from here. For example, now I'm looking for the sketcher. So if you just go down, you have the sketcher. If I just uncheck that, that toolbar will be gone, and once again if I come back and I click that, then this toolbar will appear here. Okay, so I have selected this XY plane and I'll click on this sketch button. So if I click, we will land in this workbench. So here today we are going to look at the profile tool. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just drag it. So before that, just a basic overview. Similarly to the space, here we have this tree over here, these planes and the part body. Also, we have the tools at the right to the bottom and also at the top. So you can just place these tools according to your convenience. So if you want to move this tool, just click on this toolbar and just drag it out, or anywhere you can place. So it is just your choice. So I'll just keep this as it is. And the main tools that we are going to use is this profile and the constraint tool. So I don't see that constraint tool here. So what I can do is go to view, go to toolbars and just find constraint over here. So yeah, this is yours. If I click it, this constraint toolbar will be here. And now let's get started with this profile. So if I click on profile and I'll start with this origin, I'll just click here, drag the line, just click there, and this is a continuous profile until and unless you end that, this will not end. Okay, to end you can just double click, or you can meet the starting and ending points, then this profile will be closed. So what I'm going to do is I'm trying to draw a profile. So yeah, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a semicircle. So for that, just click the left button and drag it, meet the starting and ending points, and the profile will be closed. So now there is a problem with this profile. So what problem it is, I'll just show you. Okay, if I just click on any of the side and just try to drag it, the dimensions of the other sides or the profile itself changes. Okay, so for that, see, we can just drag it anywhere and the dimension changes and the profile changes. So to overcome this, we have to constrain this profile. Constraint is to give the dimensions to this profile. So for that, we have a toolbar named as constraint toolbars. So you can see this. For now, if you don't have this constraint toolbar here, it might be in this toolbar. So it will look like this. So what you have to do is click on this toolbar and just drag it outside. And to make it horizontal, just click and drag it to the top toolbar and just take it out. So you will have this constraint toolbar, and in this constraint toolbar there is a second tool that is constraint. Just click on that. If you click it once and if you give dimension to a side, and again that will be deselected. So if you try to give dimension to the other side, it won't allow. So to keep the selection, what you have to do is double click on this and the selection will be there. To show you, what I'll do is give a dimension to this side and give dimension to this side. So now you can see this toolbar is selected. If you double click, the selection will not go. So now you can see I have given dimensions. Now I'll modify the dimension. I'll just deselect this and If I double click on this dimension, it will give a pop-up constraint definition. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll give dimension of 40 mm and hit enter on OK. So this is 40 mm. Here what I'm going to do is I'll give it 80 mm and hit enter, and this one I'm going to give it is at 40 mm. So one more dimension that I'm going to give is this one. So this is 78 and I'll just make it as 80. Okay, now you can see this drawing, first it was white and now it has turned as green. So this is a perfectly constrained drawing. If your drawing turns green, that means your drawing is perfectly constrained. So whenever you draw anything in this sketcher, your drawing must be perfectly constrained. In the next video, we are going to see types of constraint and the rest of the tools from the profile toolbar, and how can we perfectly constrain drawings without over constraint, so you can also practice any drawing. This is all for this video. I'm trying to make the video shorter, and in the next video we are going to look at types of constraint and the other tools in the profile toolbar. So let's meet in the next video, and I hope these videos are not boring for you. If they are, just mention in the comments. I'll try to improve. Thanks for watching.